Is complex hybrid cloud networking slowing you down? Stop struggling with traditional network design and start mastering the future. Welcome to the Azure vWAN Masterclass, Hybrid Cloud Connectivity Simplified. I'm your friendly non-techie guide, and I am going to show you how to simplify global networking and build a scalable, secure global network in minutes. In this complete guide, we will explore automatic any-to-any global transit, connecting your branches, users, and VNets worldwide. You will learn how to scale bandwidth to a massive 10 gigabits per second, implement integrated security with native or vendor firewalls, and deploy seamless SD-WAN tools. This is the masterclass you need. Don't wait. Click Watch Now to master Azure vWAN today. When your cloud footprint grows, you need a scalable design. The recommended model is hub and spoke, just like an airline network. Instead of connecting every small city directly, everything routes through a central hub. In Azure, Virtual WAN is the service that builds this cloud hub for you. You can take the traditional path and build the hub VNet yourself, but that comes with strict limits and lots of manual routing. The modern path is Azure Virtual WAN, where Microsoft manages the hub and automates all the routing between your spoke VNets. Before deploying, you face 4 critical decisions. First, strategically select regions close to your branch offices to minimize latency. Second, carve out a generous IP address space, ideally a /23, because this cannot be changed post-deployment. Third, scale your built-in routing infrastructure to handle massive enterprise throughput. Finally, explicitly set your hub routing preference to control traffic paths during complex disaster recovery scenarios. Think of the virtual hub as a busy town square where multiple networks meet, with the central router acting as a traffic cop using route tables as its map. When you connect a network, you associate it with a specific route table, while route propagation allows networks to broadcast their location automatically. For massive architectures, you can use a labeling system to tag maps and share routes efficiently. Furthermore, Azure vWAN supports direct BGP peering, so custom routers can communicate directly with the central hub, and allows you to deploy trusted third-party SD-WAN appliances right inside the hub to seamlessly use your preferred vendor's traffic optimization tools in the cloud. Is your branch office isolated from the cloud? You need a secure site-to-site VPN to bridge employees directly into Azure Virtual WAN. You define your gateway's power with scale units. While just one unit provides 500 megabits per second, you can scale all the way to 10 gigabits per second using active-active gateway instances for maximum uptime. Forget the old standard limitations that capped you at 30 connections. Azure Virtual WAN breaks boundaries, supporting up to 1,000 connections and 2,000 individual tunnels to easily manage massive global enterprise needs. Finally, for maintenance and performance, always configure dual tunnels from your router to both Azure instances to prevent drops during upgrades, and select GCMAES 256 encryption. It's faster, reduces latency, and prevents dropped packets compared to older standards. Let's explore global transit and security with Azure Virtual WAN. First, forget old, complex, high-cost network meshes requiring dedicated leased lines. Now, standard tier vWAN utilizes the Microsoft Global Network backbone for automatic any-to-any connectivity globally. Whether a remote worker in a coffee shop, a branch office, or a cloud VNet, everyone routes instantly through the hub to their destination. Second, because the hub connects everything, it is the perfect central screening point to stop malicious traffic and prevent malware spread from branch offices to your secure cloud servers. You have choices for inspection. Approaches 1 and 2 keep centralized traffic inspection inside the hub, using native Azure Firewall or specific third-party vendors for compliance. For maximum flexibility, approach 3 Detours traffic out of the hub to a customized network virtual appliance in a specialized spoke VNet, offering highly customized architectures. During this complete system review, you mastered the entire Azure Virtual WAN framework. You learned to move beyond complex meshes, implementing automatic any-to-any global connectivity over the Microsoft backbone. We explored scalable hub-and-spoke architectures managed by Azure, and we designed core hubs, scaling routing units, and directing dynamic traffic with BGP peering. We then implemented seamless access using massively scalable VPN gateways that broke traditional limitations and integrated with third-party SD-WAN vendor appliances. Finally, we successfully locked down systems using integrated security screening choosing between native or vendor firewalls to turn standard hubs into a secure global hub framework. You are ready.